Purple Pod. Today we finished estimating quotient, and we had 4 vocab words. Estimating. What 2 things do we use when we're estimating?
Rounding and benchmark.
And rounding and benchmarks help us to see if an answer is benchmark, a number that is easy to use. Is a single-digit number going to be a benchmark?
Yes.
Is a number ending in a 0 or 5 going to be a benchmark?
Yes.
You guys know what T-charts are. We're not going to do that one. Compatible numbers. Compatible numbers are numbers that
Work well together.
they're friendly, right? Okay, big note here. To find an intelligent and reasonable estimate, we're going to use rounding and benchmarks to find compatible numbers and quotients, right? Numbers that go well together. So, for example, here's number 6. 65 divided by 9. Probably not something you can do in your brain. Matter of fact, if you solve it at 7 and 2200ths rounded. Actual right there. All good? Estimate. The estimate involves you finding friendly numbers. How can we make these 2 numbers friendly? What we decided is 65 is really close to 63, right?
Yes.
Do I need to even change 9?
No.
Are 63 and 9 friendly?
Yes.
Does 9 go into 63?
Yes.
How many times?
7.
Is that something you should know in your brain?
Yes.
Did I show any work here? No, other than me just telling what numbers I'm going to use. Same thing for number 7. 555 divided by 6. 3 different ways of doing it. 1 way, 2 way, 3 ways. I'm going to use this way right here. We said 555 does not need to be changed if we change 6 to 5. Can you guys all do 555 divided by 5 in your brain?
Yes.
Should be able to do that. 111, yes? Okay, lots of different options here. You can look at them. When we actually solved it, we got 92 and 3/6. Is 92 and 3/6 pretty close to 111?
Yes.
Pretty close. Notice this answer right here is a lot closer, right?
Yes.
The best estimates use what kind of numbers? Does 10 go into 90?
Yes.
How many times?
9.
Does 10 go into 900?
Yes.
Now, we think 10 goes into 900, but really 10 goes into 99 times, and we just add that leftover 0, right?
Yes.
10 goes into 99 times, and we add these leftover 2 zeros there, right?
Yes.
Get the idea?